Dear students, today I am going to start exercise 15.3. This exercise mainly based on finding the coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation is the measure of variability independent of units is called coefficient of variation. Suppose we are given two series, then we have to compare them. Then when we will compare both the series, then we will come to know how much variable they are from each other. To know the extent of variability, we use this concept, that is coefficient of variation. In question number 1, 15.3 exercise, we are given marks 10 to 20 up to 70 to 80, means with the height of the class as 10, and we are given two groups, group A and group B, and we have to find which group is more variable, group A or group B. So for this we will compare them and find the standard deviation and then variability, coefficient of variation. So let's start question number 1. In question number 1, we are given two groups and we will write class interval which is given to us from 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and then 70 to 80. Now group A has frequency. First of all, we will find class mark, that is xi. Then it will be 10 plus 20 by 2 will be 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, and then 75. Now frequency of group A. Group A has frequency 9, 17, 32, 33, 40, 10 and 9. Then group B has also different frequency, but first of all we will find the column, that is yi. Now yi column is equal to xi minus a upon height of the class, that is h. Now here we have xi minus a. What is assumed mean from the column xi? We will choose assumed mean as 45. So 45 is our assumed mean. So xi minus 45 upon h, height of the class, is 10. So we will find the values of this column. That will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, then 0, 1, 2, 3. Next column will be yi square. Fi for group A, we are finding for group A, Fi will be minus 27. We will multiply both these columns. Minus 34, minus 32, then 0, then 40, and then 20, then 27. The sum of this column will be minus 6, and total number of frequencies are 150. Now last column will be Fi square. So before this we will find the column yi square. So yi square will be, here we have yi minus 3, so it will be become squaring, on squaring it will become 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4 and 9. The last column will be Fi square. It will be 81, then 68. We are multiplying all the values under column yi square into this Fi column. So 32, then 0, then 40, then 40, then 81, then the sum of this column will be 342. Now next we will find the same for other series, that is group B. But before that we will find mean of this series, that is xi is equal to a plus sigma Fi upon sigma Fi into h. Now A assumed mean was 45 plus sigma fi yi. The sum of this column is minus 6, and then upon total number of frequencies 150. So into 10. 10 is the height of the class. So on solving we will get 45 minus 0.4, that is 44.6. Now we will find standard deviation or sigma is equal to h upon n square root of n sigma fi yi square minus sigma fi yi whole square. So we will put the values which we have got in this table. It is 10 upon 150 under root of 150 total number of terms into 342, the sum of last column, minus sigma by fi yi, that is minus 6. So minus 6 square. So it is going to be 1 upon 15, then under root of, on multiplying 150 into 342, we got 51300 minus 36, which is equal to 1 upon 15 into under root of this column will be 226.41, which is equal to 15.09. Now this is the standard deviation of first column, that is group group, that is group A, 15.09. Now same we will find for group B. Now we will find standard deviation for group B. Now for group B, again we are given class interval as 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and then 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. Now again xi will be the same: 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, and 75. Now our assumed mean will be 45. Now fi frequency for group B is 10, 20, 30, 25, 43, 15, and 7, and the sum is 150. Now we will find the column which we have already got in group A, yi column, and the values under this column are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So we will find square of this column, which is 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, and 9. Now we will find the column fi into yi. So fi into yi will be minus 30, minus 40, minus 30, 0, 43, then 20, then 43, and then 15 to 30, and then next will be 21. And the sum of this column is minus 6. Last column will be fi yi square. So sum of this column will be 90, 80, 30, 0, 43, 60, and 63, and sum will be 366. Now we will find mean of this group B, that is A plus sigma fi yi upon sigma fi into h. Here A is again 45, sigma fi yi column is minus 6, and then total number of frequencies 150, and height of the class will remain 10. So our mean will be the same, that is 44.6. Now we will find the standard deviation for this group, that is 10 upon 150 means h upon n under root of n into sigma fi yi square column. that is 366 in minus fi square, that is minus 6 square. So it will be 1 upon 15 under root of 54900 minus 36, which is equal to 1 upon 15 into under root of this number under square root will be 234.23, which is equal to 15.61. Now we got standard deviation of both the groups. Now we have to find which group is more variable. So we will find the coefficient of variation for both the groups. So coefficient of variation for group A will be sigma upon x bar into 100, that is equal to 15.09, and mean for both the group are same, 44.6 into 100, which is equal to 33.83. Similarly, we will find CV, coefficient of variation for group B, which is equal to, now here sigma value of standard deviation for group B is 15.61 upon 44.6 into 100, which is equal to 35. Now coefficient of variation for group B is more than group A. So we will write CV of group B is greater than CV of group A. So group B is more variable. We will start next questions in the next video.